This is Kyle again with Live Action Kyle News, reporting for you from Oregon City, where a massive blizzard had hit and has killed trillions of people. There have been only 100 survivors, and I am only one of them. My family didn't make it. They died. It's very tragic. Another survivor. The storm is just getting worse. In the last hour, we have had 100 more feet of snow. Even though you can't see it, it's there. Believe me, it's there. This used to be a school until the snow took it over. The abominable snowmen ate all the teachers. Everyone died, and now it's just an abandoned building. It really is a terrible sight. No one is around. This whole city is deserted. It's a ghost town, basically. It's really tragic. I just don't know what to say. This whole thing is just a shame. There's one survivor. Hopefully he doesn't die. Most likely he will die in the next hour. Either by abominable snowmen, pterodactyls, the aliens, which these are probably alien footprints of, or he'll just kill himself because he can't deal with this. A lot of people can't deal with it. Most people can't deal with it. It's too stressful. This whole thing. I've almost committed suicide twice. Today. Why? Snow fever. Snow fever is a terrible thing. First, you can't feel anything. You start to go numb. Then, you start seeing everything. You start seeing giraffes walking by your house. You start seeing Tyrannosaurus Rexes in your cereal bowl. Cereal bowl. They don't belong there. They belong in garages, not cereal bowls. You want a T-Rex in your cereal bowl. I don't. Then, it's like LSD. You just start tripping out. You start seeing shit. It's not like the good tripping. It's bad tripping. It ain't the good shit. Then you just feel crazy. It's a terrible thing. And people can't take it anymore. And they usually commit suicide. It really is terrible. I'd like to help them. I would, by letting them in my warehouse to sleep and stay away from the snow fever. But I'm not that nice. I'm really not that nice. I'm gonna have to cut out before I catch snow fever. I'll be back in a minute when I warm up. Kyle, out.
Good evening, America. This is Bob Monahay reporting back in a live update for the blizzard in Oregon City. After you just seen Kyle Ellis, our news reporter, is out in the field reporting on this blizzard. We are not sure if he has caught snow fever yet. His condition is unknown. We know that his camera crew is with him. Scratch that. He has no camera crew. He is his camera crew. May God bless Kyle Ellis. We hope he makes it. We will do it. With that, I am receiving information from Kyle Ellis right now. And transmission that he has more live video feeds. Kyle Ellis, we're coming to you right now.
There's a bird. You see it? There's a bird right there. Ah, I was gonna eat that for lunch. I don't have any food at home. I was going to eat it. There's another one. They're everywhere. These birds, they thrive off the snow. They thrive off it. They're everywhere. These are the only survivors among the animal population. More survivors. They must be coming from the neighboring cities. There's a survivor. It's getting worse by the minute. My hand is gone. Look at this. I don't have a hand anymore. I only have my camera hand. I'm holding that. The weather is getting worse and worse, and I don't know what to do. A giraffe. There's a giraffe walking by. Where did the giraffe come from? Oh God. There's like a giant fucking tarantula right there. Stay calm. I'm going to hide. If you don't hear from me again, I'm dead. This is Live Action Kyle News, signing out.
As you have just seen, snow fever is serious. We do not know if there is actually a giant tarantula outside hunting Kyle. We do not know if there is a giraffe walking by. This is possibly snow fever affecting him very severely. Or it is just the beginning of a long line of tragic events. We really don't know. We have paramedics trying to track Kyle and check on his status. We have the military on standby to see if there really are tarantulas and giraffes that we need to blow up. Hopefully, it was just his mind, and hopefully our paramedics can get to him and reverse snow fever if he has caught it. We will continue with updates throughout the day, throughout the year if we have to, on this terrible blizzard, as soon as we can. This is Bob Monahay saying, good night, America, and stay the fuck inside. Bob Monahay!